Welcome to Digital Learning. Dear students, we are studying the course Organizational Behavior, a course of 5th semester BBA of Mangalore University. Today we are in Unit 2, Session 24. The topic of today's discussion is changing attitudes. In the last session, we have studied the functions of attitude, and objective of today's session is to know how the attitudes can be changed and the process for it. Students will be able to explain how the attitudes can be changed and the process for it. Employees' attitude needs to be changed when they are unfavorable. Changing attitude is a difficult task. The way of changing attitudes can be discussed as given below. Changing attitudes of employees and changing attitudes of self. First of all, let us discuss about changing attitudes of employees. Number one is filling in information gap. Unfavorable attitudes are mainly formed due to information gap or inadequate supply of information. Provide information to fill the gap can change attitudes. For example, workers may be anti-management due to ignorance about the good intention of the management. Second one, use of fear. Researchers report that attitudes can also be changed by giving fear. Both low and high degree of fear arousal do not change attitude. Only moderate level of fear arousal makes the people aware of the situation. Third one is resolving discrepancies. Resolving discrepancy between attitudes and behavior. For example, people try to have good attitude about the job they have held. People try to have negative attitude about the job they did not choose to work. And fourth one is impact of peers. Persuasion by peers with high credibility can change the attitudes. This is not true with the peers having low credibility. Co-opting approach is the fifth one. People who are dissatisfied with a certain situation are taken to make them involved in improving them. By involvement, we can do this. And sixth one is give feedback. Tell negative attitudes and their consequences so we can change the attitude. Accentuated positive condition. Make sure that working conditions are pleasant. Make sure that employees have all resources and training. And eighth one is positive role model. If managers have positive attitude, employees may also have positive attitude. So through that, being a more role model, we can change the attitude of the employees. Second one is changing attitude of self. How we can change the attitude of ourselves. First way is be aware of one's attitude. We should be aware of our own attitude. Second one is think for self. Develop own attitude based on others' input. According to others' input, we should develop our own attitude. Third one, realize that there are few, if any, benefits from harboring negative attitude. Fourth one, keep an open mind. Listen to others' input. Use it for developing positive attitude. Fifth one is get into continuous education program. Through the continuous education program about the attitudes, about the positivity, we can change the attitude. Sixth one is build a positive self-esteem. So we should build positive self-esteem, then we can change the attitude. Stay away from negative influences like smoking, drugs, alcohol. Such type of bad habits should be avoided so that we can change the attitude. To sum up, the managerial experience and research both indicate that changing attitude is not an easy task. In most cases, bad attitude is not the problem. The problem usually is unacceptable behavior. So understanding why an employee is not performing satisfactorily is important because unless we are able to put the finger on the problem, or unless we are able to put the finger on the problems which are causing the trouble, we may not be able to correct it. So we should know the problem, then we can correct that. So this is the summary of the today's session, and we have some books for reference. You can refer these books for further studies. Some questions here for testing the understanding of the session. Unfavorable attitudes are mainly formed due to information gap, information or adequate information, none of the above. Only dash level of fear arousal makes the people aware of the situation, high, low, moderate or zero. People try to have dash attitude about the job they did not choose to work, positive, favorable, negative, none of the above. Fourth one, if managers have positive attitude, employees may have dash attitude, positive, negative, either positive or negative, none of the above. Fifth one, for changing attitude of self, build a positive self-esteem, negative self-esteem, both of the above, none of the above. Answers for the question are given here. First question answer is A, second question C, third question C, fourth question A, fifth question A. Thank you for listening to the class.